Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kembali lagi bersama saya Miss Batak di sini. Horas, semoga kalian sehat semuanya ya. Nah, hari ini agak spesial sedikit karena saya ada guest dan dia suruh saya saya masak vanilla ice cream yang ada butterscotch-nya. Nah, saya panggil anak saya Ashraf. Yeay. Inilah dia anak saya yang satu-satunya sekarang ini. Jadi dia katanya mau bantuin saya mau buat es krim.
The ingredients are 2 cups of whipping cream, 1 cup of condensed milk, 1 teaspoon of essen vanilla, 100 gram of butterscotch,
Melted already, right?
melted butterscotch. Then 50 gram of oreo,
Crunchy Oreo.
crunchy oreo.
Okay,
Let's do it right now. First thing we do is to put the whipping cream inside the mixing bowl. Then we whisk it until peak form. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Okay, now you can see the peak form. Wow.
Then
we pour in the condensed milk. Yum, little bit more sweet.
on this spoon, say.
Don't put more sweet.
Spoon, take it. Spoon.
Okay.
No. Hold this one.
Okay. Now we already poured in the condensed milk, so now we whisk again, whisk and whisk.
Oh, good job, huh? Okay, now we continue put the essen vanilla.
Put the essen vanilla 1 teaspoon, or just put like little bit. We just put little bit of essen vanilla to get little bit vanilla taste.
Yes, correct.
Because here I mentioned about the vanilla and butterscotch. We need to get both
mix
of it. Now we need to mix. Oh, sorry, this is what happened. Now we already finished whisk. Now we pour in the butterscotch. That we melted just now. Yum.
Ingat ya, kalau nak mixer dia punya whipping cream, jangan terlalu lama sebab nanti dia jadi pecah. Mixnya nggak cantik. Okay. So now
We pour it inside the
container
plastic container, and freeze it for 6 hours.
or one night.
Or
one
overnight.
Night. Better. Bismillah.
Oh my god, wow.
Kalau nak masukkan oreo macam mana?
Letak dia di atas lah. Dan nanti kita mix it. Okay. And then put
the oreo inside for the topping at the top of the ice cream. Like the Oreo ice cream, sometimes they put the Oreo inside, but we put the Oreo above the ice cream. I mean on the top of the ice cream for topping.
We do like this.
Now we do like this. We mix. It's done. So we're going to meet you guys 6 hours later or overnight or tomorrow.
Yeah. So keep it this one for
6 hours or overnight.
inside where?
Freezer.
Yeah. Yeay, ini
Yeay.
dia buatan saya dengan Ucok buat ice cream vanilla butterscotch with Oreo. Nanti hasilnya sekitar 6 jam ataupun kita buat overnight. Okay? Kalian mau makan sekarang atau nanti pun terpulang, tapi tunggu 6 hour di dalam peti ais sejuk. Oke guys, nah alhamdulillah resepi untuk butterscotch dah selesai.
So, this is the result of the ice cream after we froze it for one night. So now, let's dive in. Oh, yum. Just make the ice cream at home so it can be safe in your house. You don't need to go out or anything. No need to waste money. Just buy the ingredient and do it at home. It's so easy. It tastes like Oreo ice cream and butterscotch. It's like combined. Butterscotch and Oreo, boom! It's delicious.
Jadi, sampai jumpa lagi dan assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.